Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, by clicking subscribe on the right, you can subscribe for free. Yes, I have a brand rope like this Crochet 3mm. I will show you one easy model now. I'm doing it at my followers' request. We start by pulling 8 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And sinking into the first chain, I combined. I draw 1 chain. We make frequent injections by sinking into the gap. Two, 3. For this way, let's make 25 frequent needles. Yes, I did 25 frequent injections. I'm combining by pressing here. I draw 1 2 3 4 5 chains. Here. Often we skip the needle to the second. 1 piece. Rubber. 1 2 3. Chain 1 2 1. I jump needles, often I sink into the second. We make 1 trumps and triple trumps and 3 chains 1 2. One, 2, 3. We made 4 handrails and 12 in this way. We will have banister. We draw 3 chains in between. And we make 12 handrails. AAA. It was 9. 10. 11. 12. Let's check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. I draw 3 chains 1 2 3 third chain. I combine. Yes, now we are pulling 3 chains from here. This will be our first handrail. Sorry for the gaps, let's do this first. First we make gaps, we carry our rope. 1 2 3 chain 1 frequent needle. 3 chains, I almost skipped this row. 3 chains. We make 1 frequent needle by sinking into each gap. Yes, I came to the starting point here again. I join my rope in 3 chains. We make 3 tramsands by sinking into the gaps. 1, 2, 3. The frequent here. We're sinking on the needles too. We do 1 here. 3 in each space. 1. 2. We're sinking 3-1 on the frequent needle here. We are making 1 trabzan. Back into space 1. 2. 3. We often sink on the needle if 1 trump. One. 2. 1 trump on 3 frequent pins, yes. This way we get to the starting point. Yes, I finished. In total, we will have 48 trabzan. Now we combine. On the first chain we made. Let's sync it together like this one. I draw 2 3 chains. I'm entering the nest right next to it. 1 2. Sorry, I repeat again. 1 2. Our 2 loops will stay on the tick. I filled it again, I'm entering the next loop 1 2. I collect 3 meals together 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 chain. Again 1 next. I'm entering the loop 1 2. I'm waiting for 2 loops in the crotch, I'm filling my crotch again 1 2 1 2. Now we collect our 4 loops together 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 chain. I repeat the same process. I came to the next home. Three from trump. And gather together 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 chain again. Baby kuch. 4 5 6 7 chain. Repeat the same process. I come to the starting point. I completed this order. Now I'm at the starting point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. There will be 15 16. We pulled our 7 chains and pressing the peak. I combine. Now my rope into the void. I carry in 1 2 3 4. I pulled 5 chains, 1 trabzan. Two chains. Again 1 handrail into the same space 5. We make 1 handrail. 1 2 3 2 chain. 4 2 chains. 5 1 2 3 4 5. Now 1 chain. I'm going to the other space. 1 frequent needle here. We go to the next space 1 chain 1 again. We make 5 trabzan by pulling 2 chains between them. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 chain, repeat 1 frequent needle, 1 chain. I'm going to the other space. Again. I'm making 5 trumps by pulling 2 chains in between. 2. 3. 4. 5. 1 chain. 1 frequent needle. 1 chain. 5 trabzan in the same way. One, 2. 3, 4, 5. 1 chain and 1 frequent needle. I pull 1 chain again in this way. I come to the starting point. I finished, I came back to the starting point. Now I pulled 1 chain and 1 squeeze in the gap. 1 chain, now 1. 2, 3 combined from here. We carry our rope back into the void. 1, 2, 3. 4 chains, 1 frequent needle to the next cavity. 1, 2, 3, 4 chain. 1 frequent needle to the next cavity. 1, 2, 3. 4 chain, repeat 1 frequent needle to the next cavity. We pull 4 chains again. And we give 1 frequent needle to the space right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. I pass the next gap by making 1 injection again. I didn't pull a chain. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 frequent needle, 1, 2, 3. 4 chain, 1 frequent needle. 1, 2, 3. 4 chain, 1 frequent needle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 frequent needle, 1. 2, 3, 4. Here 2, 1. We do injections often. I'm moving to another space again. I also give 1 injection here. We will have 5 vacancies on every hill. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Frequent needle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Frequent needle, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 frequent needle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 frequent needle, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 frequent needle. 1 needle to the next cavity again 1. We do 2 more frequent injections here. Yes, now I continue by pulling 4 chains again. I come to the starting point. I'm at the starting point, guys. Now we made our 1 frequent needle here. 1 needle to the next space 1 time again. And we draw 1 2 3 4 chains. This is our chain from where we first started. Right to the bottom of it. I'm sinking together. We can cut 1 chain rope. Now get it from here. Let's hide this. We can use 1 thinner crochet while hiding our rope. And more comfortable with a thinner 1 tick. You can hide. That's enough. Let's cut our middle rope. Yes, our motif is like this. If there's anything you want to ask, please feel free to write me in the comments, guys. If you want to see the motifs combined, just write I want to see the merge. You can also use it as a single motif in this way. You can also use the products you want. Very easy, simple. It's one model. I hope you like it. If you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So for now I say goodbye. See you in more beautiful models.